What is up? It's your boy here bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one today. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to add a decal to your vehicle. It can be your truck, it can be your car, it can be your motorcycle, it can be your Tesla. So in this video, we're gonna be going over how to get the decal, how to prepare the location, and how to put it on, and how, I guess, to make sure it's on there right. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So it just depends on you where you want to put it. For me, I was considering a lot of different places. I honestly was going to put it on this side of my truck. I was going to put it down here and kind of have it like a logo, but I don't know, it's kind of sketchy, kind of scary, especially with the vinyl that I got. It's permanent vinyl, so when I go to peel it off, I don't know how pretty that's gonna look on the paint. I've decided to go with just your traditional on the back of your truck type of thing. This is where we're gonna be installing our vinyl decal, just so we can support the YouTube channel, our Instagram, and our Snapchat. So let's get started with number one. So I guess the number one thing is, how do I even get these decals? There's a ton of ways of getting these decals. I'm personally looking into making these. So if you're interested in something like this, a decal for your truck, something customized, something 100% unique for your truck, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll probably end up putting a link up by Monday. That's my goal, so that if you guys are interested in getting a decal made, I can go ahead and make that for you guys. Or you can go onto Amazon. Amazon is where I first started to get mine when I didn't know how to make them. Now that I know how to make them, well then I can make them myself. So how do they come? They usually come something like this. You can't really see. They come on the backing, and then they come with some tape because you have to peel it off and then you have to put it on the thing. I would say try to pay attention to your measurements. Focus, camera, focus. Try to measure before you order, just because I ordered a decal. I thought it was gonna be just across. No, the thing was bigger than the whole windshield. So make sure you do that. I should have known when I was paying $50 for a sticker, but your boy's not the brightest. So make sure you get the right size. I think this is just perfect. I do have 3. I'm gonna put 3 on here, and they're gonna go something like this. The Aing, the YouTube one at the very top, my Instagram, and then my Snapchat. So let's get in how to actually do it, because it's fairly simple, but some people can make it more complicated than needed. Just use some soapy water, some clean water, and some napkins, and that's pretty much it. So let's start with wetting the back window. Now this isn't drinking water. I drank the water and then just using tap water, so I'm not wasting clean water. So a lot of people, they'll get their spray bottles, they'll make it very fancy and professional. I'm not one of those. Just wet it as much as you can. Don't like overboard, obviously, but don't be stingy either. Then just rub the soap in a little bit. If you have a microfiber towel, then you could use it, but I think I left mine at home somewhere. I can't find it. Clean the surface area. You just want to make sure all those bugs that somehow died back here are no longer back here. Now that that's clean, go ahead and dry it off, because if you try to put a vinyl sticker on a wet surface, it'll be a mistake, and well, you won't be very happy. Make sure not to go too crazy where you scratch your window, because that would not be a good day. All right, so while that dries a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and get my area prepared properly. So I was gonna try to do it from here, just from the side of the truck. I was gonna try to put it on, but it was gonna be a little bit of an angle. So we're gonna fold this bed cover back a little bit, just so we can get it done. Sandy with the no looker, pop that bad boy. Bada boom, bada bing. All right, so now that we got that, we can get on the bed. So now that we're here, this makes a lot better sense. It makes it a lot easier. You really got to decide where you want it and how you want it. I think I'm just gonna go from right here and just bring it down all the way. So how you take them off this little thing, it's fairly simple. You're just gonna peel and it should come right off. Sometimes they'll give you a little bit of trouble, but just take your time. And I mean, it's that simple. It peeled off right away. All right, cool. So now that it's on, you can use like a credit card, or you can order this. I'll also have this link down below, and just go ahead and go across it like this. Try not to go too rough, but also don't be too gentle. Just make sure that the adhesive of the decal is actually sticking onto your window. Then once you feel like you've rubbed it enough, you can go ahead and just pull this bad boy off, and there you go. You got yourself a decal. Now I will admit, you're gonna get some bubbles, you're gonna get some imperfections, but it will come out with the weather. When it gets hot, when it gets cold, the bubbles just come out. Shout out to the people who follow me and talk to me on Instagram. I really appreciate every single one of y'all, because man, I've met some really cool people on Instagram. You know who you are, and I love conversating with you guys on there. So sometimes the letters aren't coming off. Just go back through touch down on it a little bit and then pull, and it should come off somehow, some way. Just take your time. That's the one thing I can recommend the very most, is take your time. So now I'm just gonna line up the logo right with the other logo, and there we go. So now that it's on there, I'm gonna go ahead and brush down on it. Perfect. So of course it's not going to be perfect, and if you get your tool that measures perfection, it's going to tell you you're way off. And just like that, people can now know my social media. Bada boom, bada bing. It looks absolutely sick. It's legible, and that's what I think is most important. You get the point. YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, official Aing, Aing. And that's pretty much how you do it from start to finish. You know how to order it now, you know how to get it, you know how to prepare it, and you know how to put it on. So go out there, get your logos, get your designs done. A like, a comment, and a subscription are always appreciated. We're almost at 2.5 thousand subscribers. Go check out my last video. I don't ever say that, but last video was a banger. The title, the thumbnail, maybe not. I get it. I understand. The substance of the video was absolutely hilarious. Sandy pranked me. If you haven't seen that video already, I recommend it a bunch. So with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.